a lot of times the sellers want to see an earnest money deposit. And what that is, it's a good faith money that you're going to give to the seller that tells them that you're a serious buyer. So a lot of people want to know, what are my out-of-pocket expenses going to be? And you don't really know that up front unless you get with a good lender that can prep you in with that manner. So number one, earnest money will come out of your pocket, but will come back to you at the end. It just gets held to make sure that you are holding your end of the bargain with your contract. Number two, if you decide to have a home inspection, and I know Scott will go in this again, you will pay for that out of pocket. That is not included in your home loan. Number three, it is required when you get a mortgage, aka a loan on the new house that you're going to purchase, that you have to get an appraisal. So what an appraisal is, it's a person goes out and looks at the home and compares it to other homes nearby, specifically within 5 miles of your home, and they are looking at what other homes have sold for within 5 miles and actually within 6 months. So that appraisal cost is out of your pocket as well. And that can range anywhere from $300 to $500 depending on how many units, what area, etc. So I got my contract from Scott. Now we start the loan process. Before I order the appraisal, I always make sure that you're happy with your home inspection if you have chosen to get one. So, because then I don't want you to pay for an appraisal if you're not happy with your home inspection. So Scott arranges your home inspection, and that generally happens within 10 days is the market norm.